Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to perform clean installation of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 driver on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. So go to NVIDIA website and over here select GeForce and then select the right series. Now, if you have the notebook, like if you have a laptop, you can select this one. If you have a desktop, you can select this one, 50 series. I will select the notebook one. And then you have to select NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. And then if you have Windows 10, you select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. I have Windows 11. Now click on Find. Now, on this page, you will find the GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you will see the latest one over here. So you have to install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on View and then click on Download and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Now, once you run the exe file, click on Yes to allow, click on OK, and then click on Agree and Continue. Select Custom option and then click on Next, and then put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation. A clean installation restores all NVIDIA settings to default value and remove any profiles you have created. So if you want to perform a clean installation, you can put a check on Perform a clean installation, then click on Next, and once you click on Next, it will uninstall the current driver and it will install the latest one. It will perform a clean installation. Once this is complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you should be able to update your you should be able to perform clean installation. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.